Tom stands up and makes his bed. He takes off his pajamas and puts on his button-up shirt and jeans. He walks toward the bathroom, but he stubs his toe on a chair. "Ouch!" Tom yells. "That hurts." Okay. Tom stands up. Sit down, stand up, sit down, stand up. Tom stands up and makes his bed. He is making his bed. She is making her bed. Making the bed. Tom stands up and makes his bed. He takes off his pajamas. Pajamas. These are pajamas. These are pajamas. Pajamas are for sleeping at night. These are clothes, clothes for the day. Pajamas are clothes for night, for sleeping. Tom takes off his pajamas. I take off my hat. I put on a hat. I take it off. I put it on. I take it off. Tom takes off his pajamas and puts on, take off, put on, and puts on a button-up shirt. This is a button-up shirt. The shirt has many buttons. Button-up shirt. Button-up shirt. He takes off his pajamas and puts on his button-up shirt and jeans. These are all pants, but these are jeans and these are jeans. These are not jeans. Jeans. He puts on his button-up shirt and jeans. He walks toward the bathroom. This is a bathroom. Tom wants to go to the bathroom. He walks toward the bathroom, away, toward, away from the bathroom, toward the bathroom. He walks toward the bathroom, but he stubs his toe. This is a toe. These are fingers on my hand. Fingers on my hand. Toes on a foot. Toes on a foot. He stubs, ouch, stubs his toe on a chair. This is a chair. He stubs his toe on the chair. Ouch, Tom yells. Ouch, Tom says. This is quiet. Says is quiet. Yells is loud. Ouch, Tom yells. He does not say ouch. He yells, ouch. Ouch, Tom yells. That hurts. Hurts. This does not hurt. This doesn't hurt. This, that hurts. Oh, that hurts. This doesn't hurt. This doesn't hurt. But this hurts. Tom yells, ouch, that hurts. Okay, all together. Tom stands up and makes his bed. He takes off his pajamas and puts on his button-up shirt and jeans. He walks toward the bathroom, but he stubs his toe on a chair. Ouch, Tom yells. That hurts. Great job. See you next time.